Hello, everyone. Sorry, I've been pretty quiet for several days. I had to go back down to my college town and move everything out of my apartment to get it out of there. I just graduated, so I'll be moving away from there. Had to go down and get everything out. Pretty much the only recent, I guess, activity on my Robinhood account has been purchasing one share of Texas Roadhouse for an average cost of $49.85. I told myself I would buy it if it got down to $50. I did just a little bit better than that by getting it under $50. But I want Texas Roadhouse. It's my favorite restaurant. I love their food. I eat there all the time. Um, they have very little debt. Their restaurants are owned mostly by them, and all their food is cooked in the restaurant from scratch. So I just think for all those reasons, it's just one of my favorite restaurants. And come over here to the 1 year graph. Before coronavirus, it was up 55 all the way up to $71. Um, so $49, I was pretty happy with that. It does pay a dividend, but that has been suspended. It pays 2.53%, which has been suspended during coronavirus, which is fine. Um, but that's about the only thing I've got on my thing. But the last night I got bored again and bought 75 cents of Bitcoin. See, I've made just a little bit, 0.35%, which doesn't even amount to anything because I have such little, I guess you could say, invested in Bitcoin. I wouldn't call this an investment, but um, you know, hopefully that'll go back up and I can sell it for 76 cents. You know, oh well, if it goes down, I'm not gonna lose much. But I was not able to sell a covered call for Dave and Buster's because I don't want to sell it for less than I bought it. Even though I've made $190 so far, I don't want to sell it for less than 17.50. So if you come over here to trade play options, sell covered call, go up to 17.50, it's only worth $1. Um, So I did put it in for $1, but because it's less than three, it said I had to do 5 cent increments. So I upped it to $5. So hopefully that'll someone will buy that. Um, if not, I guess I just won't sell a covered call this week, and hopefully it'll go back up next week. Um, but I'm not worried because I do fully believe this will go back up, maybe to 20 some dollars here before long. Um, but of course, no one ever knows. Um, Other news, Coca-Cola pays their dividend tomorrow, July 1st. I'll be getting 41 cents, which I'm happy with. Um, Hopefully that those keep on coming up. And then Bank of America, they pay theirs sometime coming up too. They already did pay it, I guess, 36 cents. Um, so shoot, between those two, that covered my cost of my Bitcoin. It did, but 75 cents. I'll take it. I'm happy with that. Um, like I said, my goal is to make enough money on dividends that I can retire. Like I said, I do have in my other videos, I do have other investments with other trading platforms. So this isn't all of my investment accounts, but that's all I got. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.